Hello students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss a grammar topic, preposition. It is the 6 parts of speech out of 8. I am Mahbub Hassan, English teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 4 branch. To get most out of this video, please watch till the end. So let's get started. Preposition. What is preposition? Prepositions are the words that are used to show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another noun or pronoun. It means with one noun or pronoun, preposition will show you the relationship with other noun or pronoun or any word of a sentence. It can be verb, it can be adjective as well. A preposition is used to show direction, location, or time, or to introduce any object. Now let me tell you more clearly as an example of preposition. Say for example, you are a noun and your friend is another noun or pronoun, or it can be verb, it can be adjective. Say for example, your friend, and you guys have very good bonding relationship. That friendship is preposition between you. That's the connection. Friendship is the connection of both of you. So that's what the work of preposition. Let's go for one example. They will come at home soon. Here, they is a pronoun, at is here preposition, and home is here another noun. So, at is building the relationship, showing the relationship between the pronoun they and the noun home. That where they are at home, it's the connection. It's building the connection. There are many more others prepositions as well. You can see in this picture that see that there is a mouse, there is a bird as well, and what you can see in the first picture, you can see that under, the preposition under, because the cat is under the box, between, the bird is between two boxes, out or close to. The cat is out of the box or close to the box. Both of them are correct in essence. This number. The cat is inside or in the box. Why? Because the cat is inside of the box, that's why. Those are the all prepositions of place. Now look at here. Above. Why above? Because the bird is flying over this box, that's why. Behind, the cat is behind the box. It means in front of it there is a box. Bird is on the box. It means it is sitting on the box. In front of, the cat is in front of the box. Those are all prepositions. Under, between, out, close, in, inside, above, over, across. Those are all prepositions. Let's go for a rhyme. Here I write one thing. Let's say it together. So you have to say with me as well. This is a preposition rhyme. And you can find out the colorful words in a bold letter as a prepositions. And as it's joining together, that's why here is linking. Okay, let's start. Preposition poem. Linking like a hook and eye, in and out and for and by. Bird is in nest and rose on tree. Gift for you and sit by me. So this is what the poem rhyme is. Let's say it again together. Linking like a hook and eye, in and out and for and by. Bird in nest and rose on tree. gift for you and sit by me. So learn this rhyme so that you can know this all of the prepositions and its meaning. It has meaning as well. Let me show you according to the situation. See, the bird is on the nest. See, here is on. Then gift for you, it's for that someone, that's why here. Sit by me, it's side by side, that's why see, sit by me. Those are all related to each other. So let's go for the next slide. Today, among all the lots of prepositions, among all the prepositions, today we are going to discuss only preposition at. How we are using it, in which purpose we are using it, that one. In general, at we are using in case of preposition of place and time. So today you are going to see that, and of course in your grammar yearbook you can see that as well. So you can check in the book as well. So let's start with preposition of place at. First of all, see, look at here. What is here? Dave lost his smartphone. So it's a situation. Now maybe he left at the hotel reception desk. So why here is written at here? Here is the preposition at. Why? Because we do an action or verb at a place, in a specific place. That's why here is the at. Look at here. It's joining, showing the relationship to the verb. We waited at the bus stop. Where we waited? At the bus stop. That's the thing. Then let's meet at the train station. Where we'll meet? At the station. That's the relationship between that verb and with the other part of the sentence. So let's go for the next slide. Preposition of place. Again, knock knock, someone is at my door. At my door. Here you can see at, the use of at here. Now, at is we use beside our close to. Beside our close to here refers to when someone is exactly side by side to you, that situation. Now let's go for the next example. Here, we use in with rooms, but at with buildings and places. It means again the specific place. If you are pointing out or something, point out in or indicate something exactly, I'm repeating, exactly, specifically, that time we use at. Look at here. At school, at office, at store. Those are the specific place pointing out here. That's why we use at here. Let's go for the next slide. Here is preposition of time at. How or in which situation we use at before any time. Look at here again. At in case of specific time. Again, when we are talking about any specific time of a day, that time we use at. Look at here. At 8 a.m. Here is specifically point out, that's why. And why? You may ask question, why in case of noon, midday, midnight, we use at? Because midday or midnight refers to always 12 at night or in a day, in the daytime. So when the clocks, here you can see a clock, when there here are two hands of the clock, when both of the hands will be together, it means 12 can be in daytime, 12 can be in the at night. So midday, midnight, noon, those are all refers to a specific time, that is 12 exactly. That's why we write at before refer to talking about midday, noon or midnight. So here you can see the example. Let's go for the example. I get up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock refers to o'clock we write in that situation, that time when it's exactly 7, not 7:01, 7:05 or 7:30. No, it's exactly 7. That time we write o'clock. Now, here the movie starts at 8:30. It can be AM or PM, though there is not written, but it's also the specific time as well. We arrived home at midnight. Midnight, again, I told you that obviously midnight refers to 12 at night. So here obviously will be at preposition. Let's go for the next slide. Again, the specific time that you have already known about, but there is another point added here. That one is in case of holiday period, in case of that situation, in case of any event, specific event, that time we use at as well. Say for example, Christmas, Thanksgiving, wedding party can be in case of those type of specific thing. That time Christmas, when, okay, let me ask you this question. When the Christian people or Christian religious people celebrate Christmas, do you know that? Yes, you do. That is 25th of December, isn't it? So this is the fixed exact date. That's why here is written at. Easter, it's also a specific time, a specific holiday. Then come and visit, look at the example. Come and visit us at Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving refers to, here is a talking about an event, and specifically exactly that event. Say for example, if your birthday is coming soon and you are going to invite your friend exactly for that birthday party, that time you can specifically talk about it, and you can use at in case of this. That's what the point is. Let's go for the next slide. Exercise from grammar gear book. That will be in your grammar gear book. So look at here. Let's follow the instruction first. What is the instruction? Read this instruction. Read these sentences. Identify where at is used as a preposition of place and where it is used as preposition of time. And circle the preposition. Write P for place, write T for time. So let's go for this, and you can see all of the answer is written here, and let's just read out it. You can understand easily. First one, my father is at work now. At work now. Here it is at, so you have to circle the at. And as why I write here P. Why I here is at work. At works refers to at office or any kind of workplace. That's why here is written P. You have to write P. Number 2. We are going an interesting lesson at the moment. So at the moment. Be always remember, there is no in this moment, in the moment. No. There is always at the moment, because as you are talking about this moment, I mean now, that time you have to write at the moment. So it's about time, so that's why here it will be T. Number 3. The train is likely to arrive at 5 o'clock. Again, we have learned about it. At 5 o'clock means exactly at 5. Exactly. Not 5:05, not 5:30, not 5:20. It's exactly 5 o'clock. Then, 4 number. The school office is at the entrance. At the entrance. At is here. Give a circle. You have to give the circle here. And entrance. Where, in which place you can enter into in somewhere, in school as well. Say for example, the main gate, the assembly hall can be that you have the assembly there. that downstairs place, that one can be. So it's about the place, so that's why here will be P. Number 5, she said that she would teach this poem at lunchtime. Obviously you can understand that here is about time, and at is the preposition, you have to circle the at. Okay, let's go for number 6. Where is Robin? He is not at his desk. At his desk means not on his table. I mean, not on his table. It's not. In the desk. So he is maybe looking for the Robin. That Robin. That's why he is not at his desk. It means specifically he is not in his desk. Somewhere else maybe. That's why. So that's about the place. That's why P. 7. At present, we are using the old building. At present means now. It's about time. So that's why you have to circle the at here, and you have to write T for time. 8 number. Classes will get over at 12 o'clock tomorrow because of the parent teacher association meeting. 12 o'clock tomorrow. 12 o'clock means exactly 12. Normally PM will be here because because normally we have the classes in the daytime, not at night. That's why. Now 9 number. Always read the notes in the box at the bottom of the page. Bottom of the page, it refers to the lower part of page. So here it's referred to about any place. That's why it will be P, and here will be the circle of the preposition at. Last number 10. Did you answer the questions given at the end of the chapter? Okay, at is here, circle, you can see here, and P. Why P? Because end of the chapter, it's in the book. That's why, where it is, to identify that. So you can ask this type of question by yourself to identify which type of it preposition, to identify that, to clear the clarification of yourself, that where it is. You have to it will be easier for you to find out that is it preposition of time or preposition of place. So let's go for your HW. So your HW is learn plus write the definition of preposition with example. Okay, you will write the example by yourself, and this definition you will get in your book as well. And prepositions, all other book exercise, you can see it in page number 80 to 82. So in your grammar gear book. So revise that, try to learn it very properly, learn the definitions, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.